Hey there guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. My name is JT, and guys, if you saw my previous video last time, you heard me say something about getting a new car, a new pickup or something like that. Well, guess what? Right there in front of me, behind you guys, I am looking at one of the most beautiful things I've seen so far in my life. And you guys are missing out everything because it's super nice. It's already modified. I don't have to modify nothing whatsoever, or a couple of things here and there. I'll show you guys in a bit. So yeah, it's amazing guys, and I'm just gonna give you guys a little quick tour of it, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. And if you do, make sure you drop a like. Let me know in the comments what you like about the truck. So yeah, enjoy this video. All right, so coming along here, we got the Ford F150, and it already has the overlanding symbol, or whatever you call this, the patch or whatever crap. So that came with it, and all of this that you see on the truck, everything came with it already. And that's the thing that I like about this. I didn't have to modify nothing whatsoever. All the wheels, of course, we got all four wheels, the lifted or off-roading wheels, and it's already lifted a couple, I don't know how many inches, but it's already lifted. And here's the other wheel. And to be honest, I actually like how it looks from the sides. Like, I don't know. And then from the front, it looks even better. Like, if you see this, oh, look at that. Look at that. It has a logo and everything. I still have to get my license plate, so that's cool. And it already came with the bumpers, safety bumpers. I still have to upgrade to LED lights soon. Hopefully in a couple more months, because I want to go off-roading or camping. And I want to change the grill to a whole, like a Raptor kind of version grill, or front grill, you know, like a Raptor. If you guys haven't seen one, you should probably look it up. It's pretty dope. So yeah guys, that's the exterior body. And then on top we have a full size camping tent, rooftop tent. So it's by the brand Fresh Spirit Recreation, and honestly guys, I'll build it for you guys in a couple of minutes here. It's actually amazing. It's pretty dope, and God, you could literally fit like 3 people in there. And then we got the roof rack, which came with the truck already. I didn't have to buy it. This one, it's pretty big actually. I thought it was gonna be smaller, but it's pretty big. It's pretty strong. I mean, I got on top of there, on top inside the tent with my brothers, and like literally 3 of my brothers. We're all like above 100 pounds. So it could hold on to a lot of weight. And then we got, of course, we got our freaking gallons of tanks here of gas and anti-freezer for emergencies. And then we got inside, we got, of course, the safety or the extra wheel. We got the 2 stands, support stands for the tent. And then we got, of course, these boards. I forgot the name of them. Crap, I forgot the name. But therefore, whenever you get stuck in the mud or anything like that, or snow, just put them underneath your tire, and bam, you easily get out. So it's pretty simple. So yeah guys, let me just give you another quick big view of the truck. So if we come inside right now, all right, so the inside. So we got the door here. Of course, the door is basic stuff. Just the window, the lock, and all that crap. We got some speaker, or an air duct here, an AC here. We got, I don't know what the heck that is for, honestly. Is that a speaker? I have no idea. I have no idea. All right, so we got the passenger side. This, honestly, I went with the darker look. There was another one that I wanted, which, of course, it had the back thing that you can slide open, the back window. This one that doesn't have the back window that you can slide open. That's the thing that I don't like about it. And it doesn't have a sunroof. That's another thing I don't like about it. But still, it's an amazing truck. And the reason I like this truck from the inside better than the other one is because of the color. It's a grayish, darkish, a gray or black. I don't know. I think it's gray or black. I have no idea. But it's one of those 2 colors, and I like those colors. And we got full-on back seats over here that you can fold up. Oh, that's if I can. I can't. I don't want to do strength right now. But yeah, it's pretty nice. And we got, of course, more stuff over here. So yeah guys, a lot of stuff came with this truck, and I'm really glad I didn't have to buy it on my own, because one of those rooftop tents, the cheapest one's like $1,000, $2,000, $1,000 something, and I don't have to $1,000 have to buy in this crap. So yeah, at least that's the good thing, I don't have to buy. All right y'all, so now let's look at the inside from the driver's side. Okay, so first we got, of course, again, we got more buttons here in the door side. I put the window down so you can see. It's actually pretty nice. I like this feel right here. Okay, so we got, again, the same button, that same little hole that I don't know what the hell is it for. Like, what do you put here? Is it like to what there's, oh shoot, it goes all the way through. I don't know what that is for. So of course we still got our back seats back there. I don't have to open this door because you already know, you saw it from that side already. Okay, you don't have to see it no more. Okay, this one's more dirtier because you can see, because I use it for work. Okay, it's more dirtier. Okay, that one's not that dirty because I don't have no freaking passengers or no one. So we got the beautiful steering wheel here with the beautiful Ford logo. Yes guys, I'm a Ford lover. And of course, okay, so if we take a look, we got regular buttons here. Everybody that has a car or has been in a car knows what these buttons are for, except some of these. So like for example, this one, this right now is a 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, and then 4-wheel drive, because when you have cargo in the back, like a trailer or something, and there's the brake for the trailer. Of course, we got the fans, all the AC stuff. You know, you guys know what this is, all right? I don't have to go into depth. And then we got the steering wheel things. All right, now let's turn it on so you can see what it sounds like. All right, bam. It's on Ford, and we got, okay, let's go. Oh my Lord, that sounds beautiful. All right, so now that I showed you guys how the interior looks and all the walkthrough around, I'm gonna show you guys how to build that tent, or how I do it. It's not the best, easiest way. It's pretty challenging for only one person, but I'm gonna try my best right now. Hopefully it works. All right, let's go ahead and do this. Crap. All right, let's go. I'm gonna set you guys down. I'm gonna do a time lapse, and hopefully I can do this. Okay. All right guys, so as you guys can tell, it is freaking huge. It took me like about 15 to 20 minutes. The only reason it went fast for y'all is because I put it on time lapse, so be grateful. But yeah, as you guys can see, it's pretty big. It's actually like, it fits like 3 people in there. It literally fits a lot of people. So right now, I'm just gonna take you guys along with me in there and show you how many people it fits. If those chickens could just shut up. Anyways, let's go inside the tent. Oh man, I'm tired just from doing all that stuff. But hopefully it's worth it when I go camping. Because if it's not worth it, I'll be so mad. Oh man, let's go. As you can tell, I mean, it's pretty big compared to the truck. Okay, so that's the size. And here's your truck, that's the size of it. It's pretty big. And from the back, there it is. I mean, blends perfectly in. All right, let's just go inside. Crap, what am I doing? Let's just go inside, hopefully. Man, I'm tired already. All right. Oh, man. All right, guys, so as you guys can tell, here it is. Man, I am freaking tired. Hopefully it's worth it. Oh Lord. So yeah guys, I guess if you're out there camping and you finish building this, you can literally take a nap because you're gonna be freaking tired. Holy cow. There's chips and everything here. Oh crap. Alright, so if we take a look at this here, we got a window in this side. Bam. On top we got the truck in there and all that stuff, all that good stuff. And of course the wind is picking up. I don't want to recommend using this during the windy season. All right, we got little pouches here for whatever people do when they're camping, because I got no idea. I've never been camping in my life. All right, and then we got, of course, the best window out of all. Oh man, this one. So this one, if let's say you go out in the middle of nowhere, you go near a cliff, and you just literally wake up, open this window, and bam, sunrise. Perfect. Oh my lord. And you could clearly take off this screen and feel that, like, you could take all this stuff off, but I'm not gonna do it. I'm already tired. I want to go back home. I'm already home. All right guys, so now time to put it away. It's gonna be a pain in the ass. I'm not gonna show you guys how to put it away because I am tired. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much guys. I appreciate your support. And look, man, I'm literally glad I got this truck. Expect more camping videos in the future though, because I mean, once I start getting days off, I'm gonna go camping, off-roading and all that stuff, some vlogs out there in the mountains. So yeah, expect some of those in the future. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.